Want to add updates to your Roblox game? Let's do it step by step. Open Roblox Studio and load your place file from Recent or My Places. Create a backup by saving a duplicate or exporting the place before changes. Make your edits, scripts, assets, or UI tweaks, keeping changes small and focused. Run Play Solo to test locally, watch the output window for errors and warnings. Fix bugs, retest, and then increment your version notes so you track the change. Open game settings to update the description, thumbnail, and version notes for players. Check security and permissions, enable APIs or adjust group access if needed. When ready, choose File, Publish to Roblox, confirm and upload your updated place. Use the Roblox website to add release notes, set private or public, and schedule launches. Quick tips: make incremental updates, keep change logs clear, and test on multiple devices. Want more Roblox tips? Like, subscribe, and check the description for links and guides.